For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change layer opacity in Photoshop. And these are techniques for dynamic image editing. We will also dive deeper into explanation of layer opacity, demonstration of changing opacity, and applying some effects by changing the opacity. So let's get started. So what is layer opacity? Well, it controls the transparency of a layer. It is essential for blending multiple layers together seamlessly in creating various effects. So here I got an image of this field, and I also have here a cut out layer of this building. Alright, but now I already put them together. That shows this image. Okay, so now our goal here is to make this building transparent. How to change the opacity? So you just have to click on the layer you want to change its opacity, and then here on the side you're gonna see here opacity. When the opacity amount is at 100%, you can see that the layer is opaque. Now let's click on this arrow down, and now there's a slider here there where we can adjust, and once I lower the amount of opacity, you can see now the building is already transparent. But if I put it at a 0%, the building is totally gone. So we can just put around 50 or 67, and that's how to adjust it. But there's another way to do that. So let's bring this opacity back to 100%. Now let's click on that layer again, and you have to right click on it. Once you right click on it, you have to click on the blending options. And this layer style window will appear. And now you see, go here to the blending mode, and you can see here the opacity. So let's set this window aside, and then let's lower the opacity, and you can see the building goes transparent. And that's how it works. By the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other nerds like us. I have here another example of this girl. Well, our plan here is to create a seamless effect with the use of opacity. So let's get on. Alright, so here I'm going to create a round shape. And then let's change the fill into around yellow. Okay, and then let's select this one. Alright, and then after that, we're going to change the opacity. So maybe around to 26%. Yeah, that's fine. Around this. I don't want it too hard. So let's make it soft. Let's adjust it. Okay, and after that, you can create a layer from layer using this effect. So I'm gonna create another. Let's change the fill into light yellow. And then same thing. Let's change the opacity around this. Okay, and now I'm gonna create another one. Let's make it a smaller one. Maybe an orange. And then let's change the opacity again. So it's up to you how strong the opacity you want. But I want a light effect here. So there you go. And this is the finished product. And that is how you change layer opacity in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next videos.